Welcome Blue Star students. Today we are going to see the unit factorization exercise number 14.3. These are two marks. Question number 3. Work out the following divisions. Work out the following divisions. Okay, now question number first one, 10x minus 25 divided by 5. 10x divided minus 25 divided by 5. Okay, see, now we will divide that. 10x minus 25 divided by 5. This is the question. So in this question we will take the common term outside in the numerator. See, in numerator we will write the factors 2 into 5 into x minus 25 is 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 5 divided by 5. So now we will take the common term outside, which is a common one in the numerator, 5. Okay, so 5 common is outside the beginning. Now we write the remaining one, 2x minus 5 divided by 5. Okay, so now 5 will be cancelled. We get the answer is 2x minus 5. Okay, now the next question. Next one is number 2. Same, 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. Okay, now the answer is 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5 in the numerator, which is a common one. Ponasam put the same question then now also given, so right. But 10x minus 25 la we take the 5 as a common one. So 5 எடுத்துட்டோம்னா remaining is 2x minus 5 in the numerator. Denominator is 2x minus 5. Okay, now we will cancel the numerator and denominator. 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5 will be cancelled. So the answer is 5. Okay, clear? Now the next question is third one. 10y into 6y plus 21 divide 5 into 2y plus 7. Okay, see now write the term 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. See in the numerator, in the bracket term, which is a common one. Okay, see we write this 6 as 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3y plus here in 3 table how many times 21? 7 3s are 7 into 3 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. Okay, so now 10y into, so in this term it is a common one, 3 is a common one. So 3 வெளியில எடுத்துறோம். What is the remaining term? 2y plus 7. Okay, divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. So now 2y plus 7 will be cancelled. In 5 table 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So write the remaining terms are 2y into 3. In the denominator there is no terms, all are cancelled. Okay, so now the value is 2 3s are 6y. This is the solution. Okay, next fifth question. 96 ABC into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divide 144 a minus 4 b minus 6. This is the question. Okay, now solution is write 96 ABC into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30. Okay, divided by 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. Okay, now we will find the common term. So here 96 A, B, C அப்படி இருக்கட்டும். See in this term which is a common one 3. 3 table 3 வரும் 12 வரும்ல. So 3 a common outside எடுத்துட்டோம்னா remaining is A minus in 3 table how many times 12? 4. Okay, அப்போ 4 எழுதியாச்சு. Here in 5 table 5 வரும் 30 வரும் இல்லையா, அப்போ 5 common outside எடுத்துட்டோம்னா here B மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். Minus in 5 table how many times? 36. Okay, so write 6 divided by 144 A minus 4 B minus 6. Okay, now we will cancel that. This A minus 4, A minus 4, B minus 6, B minus 6 will be cancelled. Okay, now see the numbers, numerals பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா in which table we cancel that? 3 table இது try பண்ண பார்ப்போம். 1 3 is 3, 2 3 is 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, remaining to 24, 8 3 is 24. Okay, so now in 48 table 2 times 96, 48 into 2 substitute பண்ணோம்னா we get 2 times 96 cancel ஆகும். Okay, so these are the remaining terms. So the answer is 2, இங்கே 5 இருக்கு. அப்போ 2 into 5 is 10 A, B, C divided by, here there is no denominator, all the denominator values are cancelled, divided by 1. So the answer is 10 A, B, C. This is the solution. Okay. Now question number 4. Divide as directed. First part, 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divide 2x plus 1. இதில் டைரெக்டாகவே நம்ம வந்து கேன்சல் பண்ணுற மாதிரி the question is given. நம்ம எதுவும் ஃபேக்டரைஸ்லாம் பண்ண வேண்டியது கிடையாது. ஓகே, ப்ளஸ் 1 into 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. This is the question. Okay, so now we cancel this. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 will be cancelled. So the remaining is 5 into 3x plus 5. Okay, this is the solution. Next, அதுதான் divide as directed அப்படின்னு வந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Okay, then 52, this is third one, 52 PQR P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P divide 104 PQ Q plus R plus P. Okay, now we want to cancel that. 52 PQR P plus Q into Q plus R into R plus P divided by 104 PQ into Q plus R plus P. Now we cancel this. See, P cancel, Q cancel, Q plus R plus P, R plus P. Okay, in 52 table 2 times 104, 52 into 2 போட்டோம்னா we get 2 times. Okay, now see the remainder are R into P plus Q divided by 2. R into P plus Q divided by 2 is the solution. Okay, next question number 5. X into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 1. Okay, now write the solutions. X into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. இதில் டைரெக்டாகவே அது கேன்சல் ஆகுற மாதிரி இருக்குது பாருங்கள். X into x plus 1. So now we cancel that. X plus 1, x plus 1. So the answer is, write the remaining part, 2 into x plus 3. Okay, this also a 2 marks one. So this is the solution. X plus 2 into x plus 3 is the solution. Now your homework. In the third part, fourth sum is homework. 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 divide 27xy into z minus 8. Then question number fourth subdivision, second 26xy x plus 5 into y minus 4 divide 13x into y minus 4. This is your homework. So this part is directly divide பண்றது இது which is a common one outside எடுத்து then we divide that. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, do this in your homework note. Okay students, this in this part directly you cancel that 13 26 will be cancelled, then y minus 4 cancel, x cancel, and use பண்ணி you cancel that. Okay, thank you students.